Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to hard wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then you have to click on this send button from these options. Now, on this screen, you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. I will just select Bitcoin from here. Then it will give you this screen where you just have to paste the wallet address from your hard wallet. So now you what you need to do is open up your hard wallet such as your Ledger Live or any hard wallet that you have, and then you have to click on this My Ledger or Devices option, and from there you have to select your device, and then you just need to install the cryptocurrency app that you want to receive in your hard wallet. So we are receiving the Bitcoin, so you just have to click on this plus icon right next to the Bitcoin. So you just have to click on it, and then this is going to open up this pop-up window that the application has been installed. Then you can click on this go account options and then create an account for yourself. So after you do that, you need to go back to the wallet page or home page of your app, and then you have to scroll down and you will find your added cryptocurrency here. You just have to tap on it, and then you just have to scroll down and then select the Bitcoin account that you want to use, and then on the screen you have to click on receive, and then you may need to verify your address. So just click on verify my address button and then select your device. I'm going to select my Ledger Stash. Then you need to verify the address with your device. Once you are sure, you can click on approve on your device, and then you will get your wallet address. Click on copy address button, then go back to the Coinbase app and paste the wallet address, and then click on continue. Then you just need to enter the amount how much you want to transfer, and then you need to click on preview. After that, this might show you this warning. Click on continue, and lastly you have to confirm everything. Make sure your wallet address, network and amount is correct, and once you confirm these details, click on send now. And once you follow these steps, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Coinbase to your selected hard wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.